This is the job role for senior DevOps engineer and it is totally remote. This role is at DuckDuckGo company in Sydney, Australia. DuckDuckGo is internet privacy company for everyone who wants to take back their privacy now. For over a decade, they have been building their all-in-one product, developing new privacy technology, and working with policymakers to make online privacy simple and accessible for all. Their app has been downloaded more than 75 million alone this year. Now, their private search engine is packaged with a lot of features, and they are present in a lot of countries in the world. Let me tell you about this job role, which is, as I mentioned, is in Sydney. It is totally remote. Plus, the skill set which you need for this job is all around DevOps. You need a major experience in DevOps, software engineering, or any IT operations role. You should be good in a scripting language like Python or even Perl. Plus, you should be comfortable with Linux operating system. You should also be aware of what is infrastructure code in Terraform, plus some configuration management using Ansible or Puppet or Chef. More importantly, you should be good and adept in problem solving. If you think this role is for you, go to DuckDuckGo's website and apply directly from there. Thank you very much.